as the most vulnerable area of your structure. Your roof is battered by wind, rain, ice, snow, debris, and temperature changes, some quite abrupt. If your roof fails, you could be looking at damages far beyond what you can cope with. These types of changes in the environment can and will cause damage to your roofing and could, if left untreated, lead to several structural issues and even failure. Urgent roof repair can help you prolong the lifespan of your roofing with a scheduled program of inspections, regular maintenance, and repairs when needed. This proactive approach to protecting your property can pay huge dividends throughout the lifetime of your structure. After all, maintenance costs are nothing when compared to the costs of a new roof, or even worse, the demolition of a collapsed structure. Call Urgent Roof Repair today to speak about adding a comprehensive maintenance program for your property.